Good day, everybody. It's Trent Klarenbach with Klarenbach Research. Today is July the 7th, 2024. 25. It's 25. All right, let's take a look at red lentils. We haven't looked at red lentils for a while. To do that, we'll start off with the member area of our website where we track our analysis. And this is the red lentil section. You can see that our sentiment rating across each of our time frames is bearish. So right from 1 to 2 weeks for bearish, 2 to 4 bearish, 4+ for bearish. We had our take profit price target that was back at 35 cents. Right now it's trading just under around the 27, 28 cent level. And I mean, if you took our take profit price target, you gain an extra 8 cents. We actually beating the average price for the year by roughly 10%. So we're happy with that. That's 3 cents a pound, which, it adds up. And, our goal is to be within 90% of the high price of the year and to beat the average price for the year. So we've had, I'd say we have good success here. The first year we did this, we didn't start tracking it until the 43 cents actually. So we actually did quite well that first year, and then other years have been all right also. Let's take a look at these charts here. This is the longer term red lentil price chart for Saskatchewan. It's Saskatchewan delivered plant price is using our index pricing, and you can see that we are trading below this long-term trend line. This is the median, the average price paid throughout, paid through time, average price of lentils over time, and we're trading below that. It's kind of interesting how that's acted as resistance, and I'd say support, resistance, just through time. It's kind of fascinating how that works. This is our linear chart, and we had identified, 2-3 years ago, a return to this breakout level, this previous resistance, and we found some support there back, I guess it would be last year. And now we've broken below that level, and looks like we're on our way down to that 24, 25 cent level, down to this previous support level. So, we identified that level as a possibility. It looks like it is going to happen. So, with that in mind, take that into consideration when making some sales and pricing. So those are another chart, is logarithmic chart. I like draw my trend lines on it. Take you back over to this chart here. It kind of shows you a little bit different perspective too. And we're making new lows, getting back down to test this 24, 25 cent level. I'm convinced of that. But really, we don't have another fib level down here at 21 cents. So it would not shock me if we get down there at some point. So that's quite a considerable drop from where we're at today. That's the weekly chart. This monthly chart gives you an interesting perspective. Obviously, we're trading, I would say, in the top, just maybe dropped out of the top third of this chart. And it looks like it wants to get back down to 24, 25 cents. That seems to be a common, important, let's put on a candlestick chart here. It's an important level back through time, 24, 25 cents. I'm just psychologically, and it's just been important. But if that doesn't hold, then we're going down to this 21 cents. I'm certain of that, right? There's actually a gap down here to close with. And I'm not a gap trader, but I know a lot of people are. But that's what we're looking at. So we're bearish on red lentils. We broke through some support. Now we're moving down to that 24, 25 cent a pound level is what it looks like to me. My name is Trent Klarenbach. Sunny in Saskatoon. Life's good.